Hi, my name is Juan Buyanda. I'm the CEO of Vendo Por Chat, and today we are going to have a walkthrough step by step in our application, totally integrated with Shopify. As you can see, we already installed the app, and after we install the app and select the plan that we are going to have, every plan is based on numbers of orders that the merchant can do in this new social selling channel. After the selection, we already have all set to start. You can see at the top, no, the several parts. The first one is the home. The second one is the sellers, the social sellers that are going to work with the merchant. The third one is draft order. Every single order that the social sellers community made is a draft order that must be approved by the administrator of Shopify. And finally, products. All products must be synchronized to Vendo Por Chat in order to be available on the app to start sell in any chat or in any social network. At the end, we have the support, the required support, no, to help the merchant if it's required. So let's start. The first step is synchronize products. Now we have a tab on the home, but also in products, you can see that we already synchronize the products of our store, and the top right is also the bottom. No, all merchants we have like two action buttons, and the home, no, because it's the first step, and also in products to synchronize all the information of the products on the store with Vendo Por Chat. The goal is that these products will be available in Vendo Por Chat app. The Vendo Por Chat app that we are going to see in a couple of minutes is the first e-commerce mobile keyword. We have the patent, now publish the patent for the e-commerce keyword, like emojis or stickers, no, in which you can close sales. We are going to see that in a couple of minutes. Let's go to the second step. After we synchronize the products, we are going to the sellers tab. Go to the sellers tab, and you can, as a merchant, you can invite the sellers that are going to work with your business. We already have several sellers here. On the walkthrough, it's important to create the sellers, several sellers, and they will receive an invitation to download Vendo Por Chat app. No, that is the app that helps them to sell in any chat and in any social network. The final tab, that is draft order, we are going to see that after we end the full end-to-end, no, the sales on the chat. So we are going to move ahead to WhatsApp. It's important that this works in WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, in any chat. No, iMessage, Signal, Telegram, doesn't matter because it works from the mobile keyboard. So let's move ahead to the chat. Let's move to see how it works on the chat. Please, let's move on. In this example, we are going to use I'm the client, no, Juan Bujayanda as the client, and the vision that we are seeing is the vision of the seller. Look that we have the keyboard, the normal keyboard, and it's that simple as an emoji. Now let's make a click on the emoji. Now you have one action in which you can have emojis, a sticker, and so on. That simple is how Vendo Por Chat works. Let's make a click and to change to the mobile keyboard that is exclusive of Vendo Por Chat. That is the e-commerce keyword. As we said before, let's make a stop there. Look that we didn't have to leave the chat. No, in this step we already selling. The first information that we need is the products. If we make click on the products tab, look, all the products that were in my store as a merchant are totally available for every single social seller in their keywords, no matter if one or two social sellers that is helping my business, or if thousands social sellers. No, because it will be totally available no matter the number of social sellers. If I have more social sellers, I can sell more. So let's move forward on the test that we have to do here. First, we are going to share. At this, Adriana, that is helping me on the demonstration, is going to share with me the information of the products in the chat. No, and with one click, I'm receiving the information of the products that were on the store, and we can share every single. This is how it works in chats and in WhatsApp. You must share the right information of the products. Let's move forward. As we move forward on this relationship to close sell, it's important that we can start to add a I want that phone. No, I want to write. Look, and Adriana is going to add to the draft order without leaving the chat, without any integration with WhatsApp or Telegram, TikTok, is creating an order. Look, we have a draft order. In this draft order has the phone, and she can click in generate the order and share the order. I'm going to to confirm the order. If you can, please, Adriana, make a click on the link. No? So it's a draft order that is going to be confirmed by the buyer, by myself, basically. So I'm going to confirm with all, and you have the order, the number of the draft order, the date, the vendor, no? And if you can make a click over there, no, you are going to see all the data of the buyer, no, the name, address, phone, city, all the information to confirm the order. So let's go back. After the confirmation of the order by the buyer, Adriana is putting my data over there so you can see how simple is the process. What we are doing here is that the buyer or the shopper is giving us all the information on the draft order so we can close the sale. Now the city, address, everything. And at the end, to accept the terms and conditions in order to move forward. It's important that all orders that are being made by this new social sellers community create draft orders at Shopify. Look, it's already confirmed. Okay, let's check it out. Let's go back to our mobile keyboard now in the chat, and let's see the status of the orders. So what happened? We go into draft orders. It's the next step, and you have set the draft order. 1 second over there, please, Ariana. So look, all orders are being received inside Vendo Por Chat app in our module of the draft orders. The administrator of the store has totally control of the information, date, draft order number, seller, and the information of their order. The next step is the confirmation, the approval of the order. Now, at Shopify today, only the administrator can approve these orders. Maybe an improvement in the future, no, as these social seller channels grow, maybe the orders can go directly to be an order at Shopify. now today the walkthrough in draft orders is that the administrator of the store approves the order. Let's approve the order. We approve the order, one click on approve, and go. Look, now there is a formal order at Shopify. So, and from this point, the administrator can manage the order as a normal order of Shopify. So, what we did, we create this new social selling channel in which a group of social sellers can have all the information to close sales in any chat on any social network using our chat, that is the e-commerce keyword. Now that we have the patent of this feature that is really important to close sales in chats. And all of that order are draft order totally integrated with Shopify. So, and that's it. That is the end-to-end. Let's go back to our app in order to close the step-by-step. Let's go to app to make a summary of the steps. No, inside our app. Let's go to our app. Adriana, please. Let's go to Vendo Por Chat and let's make a quick summary to close. Vendo Por Chat has products, synchronized products, sellers, no? In sellers, let's go to sellers. We invite the social sellers. All these sellers has the app that we already saw in which they can share the products, make a draft order, very simple, inside the keyword, and then those orders are draft orders at Shopify. Now that can be approved, and from that are a formal order. What we are looking here, this is the end-to-end to test the flow, no, how it works. And we believe we already have several clients working with us using Vendo Por Chat as a standalone solution. But there are several clients that want to build social communities around Shopify because they believe that the store seller people that are in the store can work as a social sellers. Now, and this will deliver growth to Shopify as a digital channel, not only an e-commerce, but also as one of the most important social sellers community channel, no, as reach and scale, no, in the world. And we truly believe that a lot of merchants is going to have a growth in their business for this. So, and we are looking forward to start working with Shopify. Thank you.